Hello everyone, and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode today about how can you request a recommendation on LinkedIn and make it impactful. I am Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario LV Ltd, a leadership transformational company, and we help entrepreneurs, founders, and CEOs to do the personal brand, either upgrade it or create it, and also rewire their brain towards the high performance through the strategy and health. So let's take a look at how you can request a recommendation on LinkedIn and make it impactful. So requesting a LinkedIn recommendation is great way to build your professional credibility and showcase your skills to potential employers, clients, and collaborators. A strong recommendation can set you apart from others in your field and highlight the value you bring to the table. But how do you make sure your request is impactful and increases your chances of getting a thoughtful, detailed recommendations? So let's take a look at it. So there are four reasons why request a recommendation on LinkedIn. So the first one is because you want to build a social proof. Then the second is that it enhances the credibility. The third is that it strengthens connections. And the last why is showcases your professional impact. So here are the steps how you can request a recommendation on LinkedIn. So first of all, you should actually choose the right person. So if you want to get recommendation, yes, you should, for example, from the connections that you have from the company that you worked in, you should select someone who can speak to your strengths, skills, and character in a meaningful way, ideally a colleague, supervisor, or client who has worked closely with you. So this is really important, step number one. Then the step number two, personalize your request. So don't just click on ask for recommendation, which you can find here when you scroll down in the recommendations. Yes, here. So if you go to the section recommendations and you click on the plus, uh, you ask for recommendation, you search for the people, for example, I will put Sarka. Then you click on next, and here you just put the specific information and definitely include a personalized message. So just don't do like this, like write something like, hey Sharka, we worked together for 5 years, so I'm dedicating more energy to actually tell you about this. And personalize your request. So write a customized message explaining why you value their perspective and how much you would appreciate their recommendation. You can also navigate them towards something that you would like to see on your profile that will actually help you to gain clients, get better jobs, etc. Then also be specific about what would you like to get highlighted. So some strengths, some skills, and be clear, but also let them write their own words. So don't just prepare it for them. That would not make sense so much. Then the fourth step is provide a context. So remind the person of the work you did together. So just, to massage their brain. And whether it's a project, a task, or a time when you collaborated closely, this context makes it easier for them to write detailed and relevant recommendations. And then the last step is that you should thank them. Thank them in advance. Show appreciation. Acknowledge that their time is valuable and that you are grateful for their willingness to support you. So, a polite thank you makes a difference, and they will maybe give you even better recommendation. So, now let's take a look at the best practices and also the mistakes to avoid. So, I have for you four best practices here. So, the first one is take the time to choose the right person to recommend you. Don't just ask for recommendation from anyone in your network. That is not really effective for your strategy. The second, follow up politely. So if you don't hear back after a reasonable amount of time, send a gentle reminder People are busy, so a polite nudge can help, but don't push. Like, hey, like, where is my recommendation? Like, really be polite. Just like, yeah, I understand you are busy. Just, I'm here, still waiting. The third one is after requesting a recommendation, consider also offering one in return. This creates a mutual supportive relationship and strengthens your professional network. And the last but not least, once you receive the recommendation, show the gratitude. So again, thank the people. So these were the best practices, but I also want to tell you three mistakes to avoid. So the first one, don't request a recommendation from someone you have only just connected with or have only interacted briefly. The recommendation will lack depth and authenticity. Then the second mistake, don't send a generic request asking for recommendation without personalizing it. So you should really tailor the message so that the person understands exactly why you are asking and what would you like them to highlight. And the last is when someone takes the time to write recommendation for you, always offer some favor in return. So the question is answered here. How can you request a recommendation on LinkedIn and make it impactful? So a well-crafted LinkedIn recommendation is a powerful way to validate your skills and build a strong professional reputation. By approaching your request thoughtfully, providing context, and also being specific about what you want to highlight, you can increase the chances of receiving a compelling recommendation that adds real value to your LinkedIn profile. So, this was it about this article, this video. If you want to know more about the other tips on the LinkedIn, then go to mariolevy.com and click on the articles, because here we are adding one article per day. So it's really daily contributions. And you can search here about the LinkedIn tips and also beyond, such as leadership. And if you want to get the template for free, then connect with me on LinkedIn and write that you are coming from this episode, and I will get you a brand ideation template for free into your DM. And don't forget to hit the subscription and notification button on the YouTube. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, the leadership transformational company for entrepreneurs, founders, and leaders. And we create and upgrade the personal brands and also shift your mindset towards the high performance, true strategy, and health. And I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.